Hi, this is Lorna Sullivan, and I made a nose card divider for vision improvement practices, and I used cardstock, the size 5.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Of course, you can make the card any size you want. After you cut out a blue matte color and the other one the shiny orange. They're just stuck together, as you can see, with some tape. And then just a pair of sports glasses that has the lenses poked out. I also use the card to make my nose divider. And all I do for that is I take a little twist tie that I got out of packaging for perhaps a shirt or something, save all kinds of things, and I attach it to it. So I'll just take a second. All I do is run it through the clip. So put it through the clip, and then you have to hold this on, of course, in the center, wrap it around. If you can see that, wrap it around. I'm trying to center it and hold it, and pull it tight so it's on it, and you twist it, of course. Twist it and twist it. And I usually take some time to twist it a little bit. And I just put it up and over so it's poking out. And take the card. Try to make sure it's centered. I'm going to reach around. Oops. You gotta reach around behind it to squeeze it so you get your card in. And voila, there's your card. It's all ready to go. And I wear this outside. It doesn't move around in the wind. It's pretty solid.